What's up, guys? We're back. So it's January 30th, 2025. By popular demand, I'm going to be doing another group buy from Brokaw. I don't know if you can see this, but I got the list, and here it is. Let's see if I can get it to focus correctly, but here's kind of the list of availability as of right now. We got Bacon on Dusa, Carmen on Dusa, we got Gems, we got Hass, we also have Holiday, Jan Boyce, Toro Canyon, Lamb, Mexicola, Nabal, and Pinkerton on this page. All right, page number 2. Looks like there's Queen on Dusa, Reed on Duke 7, Reed on Steddom, Sharwil on Dusa, Sharwil on Toro Canyon, Surprise, and some Zutanos also. So I'm planning on getting, for me, trees that I want a second tree of right now. So for me, I'm probably going to get a Jan Boyce on Toro Canyon. That's going to be for sure. I'm also thinking of getting a Pinkerton on Dusa because I only have one Pinkerton, but the Pinkerton that I have is really productive. So this is kind of like the tree that I want a second tree of. And then of course, Jan Boyce, I only have one and I'd like to have a second. And then I'm thinking it'd be really nice to have a Jan Boyce on a clono rootstock from Brokaw. So it's on Toro Canyon, which is okay for my yard. Duke 7 seems to perform really well for my yard. So I'm debating on getting a Lamb on Duke 7 and also probably a Reed on Duke 7 because I already have a Reed on Toro Canyon and I have a Reed on Dusa. So really trying to decide what to do here, but the order is going to be probably locked in by next Friday. So if you guys are interested, email me. If you can go to the About section on YouTube, there's going to be my email listed there. So you should be able to go in there, email me directly, and then I will email you directions on what you need to do. Essentially, these trees are going to be available in March of this year, except for right now it looks like, except for Gem. So they're telling me that Gem's going to be available in June. So I don't know if we want to do Gem because if it's available in June, I might not be around and there's going to be issues with shipping. So depending on how many people are actually interested, we'll have to work that out. But all of the Hass that are here are excellent. I have a bunch of people asking for ZERALA. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then Uzi also. So interested in, I wouldn't mind even getting another Hass for myself, but really, I probably shouldn't. So if anything, for sure, I'll probably get a Jan Boyce for me and then debating on Pinkerton. The deal is Nabal, there's only 2. I have one person that I'm trying to secure this one for already, and we'll figure it out if I can get that thing locked in. As you guys know, some of the Brokaw trees that I have in my yard are just doing amazing. I mean, this right here is a Sharwil on Duke 7, and it's really like just taking off. And really, this is my first Sharwil that has been doing really well in my yard. And I think part of the reasons why it's doing really well is, one, it's the rootstock, which is Duke 7, and Duke 7 seems to do really well. I actually had another Sharwil here and I actually pulled it out and I replaced it with this one. So I'm excited to maybe get another Sharwil also, because I only have one Sharwil officially in ground. So really, one Jan Boyce, one Sharwil. I'm thinking of doubling up a second Jan Boyce and a second Sharwil, and then maybe a third Pinkerton. I'm trying to talk myself into not doing it, but knowing me, I'll probably end up getting 3 trees, at least 3 or 4 trees for myself. But if you guys are interested, email me. Do it ASAP, because once I close it, and if you are out and don't have a chance to get in on it, then I really can't help you. So in the past, what happened is a bunch of people actually email me afterwards. So if you are in a position where you can do this now, this is the time to do it. So I'm really looking for local pickup, so I'm not shipping anything. And information will be provided via email. So I hope your trees are all doing well. And if you guys are interested, shoot me an email. We will talk later. See ya.